Hello everyone, this is Leo from Landpack Machines. Here is our packing machine workshop for the flow packing machines. And today I would like to introduce our flow packing machines for you. And this packing machine is for the little case and with easy operations. And you could see that we just need to click the start buttons and the machine will be working from the tray, feeding, and then go through the backformer and then go through the saving device. After watching the whole process of the machines working, we could see more detail about the machines. Here is the detective sensor for detecting the materials of the tray. And then this one is the code printer to printer on the back. And here is air inversions to fill the air into the bag. And this device is to make the linking bag. Let's see again. You could see that it would be the linking bags 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Also, we could change the parameters by the touch screens. You could see that we could change the packing speed and the bed length and the material length and also the linking bag number. We could change on this page. We could change to 6. And then the product will be linking with 6 packages. Okay, everybody. Today I just introduced our flow packing machines to use. And if you have any questions or other requirements, please feel free to contact us. And I will be always here and waiting for your order. Thank you.